Day 95 Grammar. Yesterday we learned rule number 16, but rule number 16 is incomplete. I forgot the last topic to discuss with it. Rule number 16 is that when a person expresses family relation, like expressing words like a mother, a father, uncle, aunt, auntie, brother, sister, dad, mummy, mom, so we don't use the before them. But the rule number 16 is a third point. When family relation expressing word are used in particular as an sense, then the is used. The father of Chum Chum is a teacher. Here the brother will come soon. So brother is general brother. Right? We don't have a particular which brother and whom brother. So the mummy is here. So no, mummy is here. The 16 point. But the rule number 3 says ki someone's father, the father of Chum Chum, is a teacher. So we use the before them. The father of Chum Chum. Father of Chum Chum is a teacher. It's wrong. So the father of Chum Chum. Rule number 70. The is not used before the disease names. The diabetes, the typhoid, no. Diabetes, typhoid, tuberculosis, malaria, influenza, fever, cancer, anemia, etc. The mumps or mumps, the plug or plug, the millicis or millicis, the flu or flu. It's common and everybody use in the regular sentence. Mumps, the mumps or mumps. The both are correct. Look at the sentence. The cancer is a dangerous disease. No, cancer is a dangerous disease. Influenza is an infectious disease. When the disease name is particularized sense, so we use before the particularized sense means the plague of last year was very dangerous. The plague of last year. Which year? Last year. So it is the particular last year. Rule number 18. The is not used before the month name or the day's name. The Monday, no. The Tuesday, no. Monday, Tuesday, January, February. January, February. Use of name of month and days. Sorry, month or days in a particularized sense when the is used with them. The Monday of last week was not pleasant. The Monday of last week was not pleasant. The March of 1942. The March of 1942 was historical month. The March of 1942 was historical month. When the names of month and days are used as countable noun, a or n can be used before them. For example, my elder sister will come here on a Sunday. My elder sister will come here on a Sunday. A Sunday means any Sunday. My younger brother will come here in an October. An October means any October. But when the names of months and days are used in a general sense, a or n is not used with it. She will come here on Tuesday. On Tuesday means next Tuesday. On Wednesday, next Wednesday. On Sunday means coming Sunday. My beloved will come here in March. In April means next, coming April. In May means next May. In April is September means next September. Days, we use days in plural sentence, like she hates Sundays. Sundays. She hates Sundays. So here rule number 17 and 18 are complete.